Science 9's Mr. Thompson here. All right, I'm looking at this azimuth altitude demonstrator. All right, I've checked off the zenith, horizon plane, nadir, and meridian. So just to go through them all, the zenith is the point straight up above us, okay, 90 degrees upwards from our horizontal plane. The horizontal plane you can see is shown in the green. You've got the nadir, which is kind of like the anti-zenith, which is straight down, and the meridian. The meridian you can see is a line that kind of crosses the horizon plane, goes straight from the zenith to the nadir. All right, so I'm trying out this activity, and so I think the first thing you're supposed to do in the first question is put the azimuth down to 0, and you notice that essentially you're pointing straight north, okay? And so wherever the star is, again, if it's straight north, then it would have an azimuth of 0. Then you can see if you slide the slider over in question 2 all the way over to the right, 360 degrees, well, all the way, a full rotation, just up to 360 degrees, which again ends up with true north being 0 once again. Then the third part here, what you're supposed to do is look at the altitude. Well, if you're at the North Pole, altitude, just slide it straight to the right, 90 degrees straight up. So if I was standing on the North Pole and I was looking straight up, then it'd be 90 degrees. If I was at the North Pole, though, and I put the slider all the way down, then we're looking at straight downward, which is straight towards the South Pole, which would be the nadir at negative 90 degrees. All right, now to try out these other activities here, what we're supposed to do is just adjust these. I think I'm on question 5 here. And it's 135 and 10 degrees. So 135 and 10. Notice 135 rotating from north, so it would be southeast, and 10 degrees is low in the sky. And then the second one here, we're looking at 220 and 70 degrees. 70 degrees obviously high up in the sky. And the azimuth direction would be southwest. All right, I showed how that demonstrator worked to solve those questions. There was 5 of them that you had to do. I hope you got them all right. Thank you.